How much is this? How much?
2,000.
2,000 plus. But it's not enough for 1 week. Because a budget for one family in every household should be at least 1,000 or 2,000 for a day. How many days are there in a week?
7.
7. So is that enough? No. Not to mention, I have to pay for the electricity. I have to help Mamita to pay for the electricity because we are the ones staying here in her house. It's 3,000. Water, it's around 600 plus. The Wi-Fi, it's around 600 plus, 800 plus. And then I have debts. I have to pay back what I owed to people when we were in business. Huh? So, there's Kuya Renny, there's Jacob, and there's 129, and there's Asa. What else? I have from Liza. What else? I have the other big debts pa. So, guys, I need you to help me out here. Okay? How? How do you help Mama? By being what? By being what, Kuya? Listening. You wake up, no need to tell you to wake up. Because I hate screaming my lungs. You know, I hate screaming. I hate having, I hate having to argue. I hate having to, negative energy. I don't like it. So when there's food on the table, you eat it. Because when you have baon that you don't like, try and finish it. Try and finish and eat it. Because think, Tito cooked, Mama prepared. What more can you ask for? There are kids who doesn't even have anyone at all. They go to school without shoes, without even slippers, without even uniform. And they just look at their classmates. Nakaintindi ka mo? Eat what's on the table. Kaon. Nabati. Go get fork. Because if you keep on rejecting a blessing, even if how small it is, God will say, so you're not eating this. How can I give you bigger, more delicious food if you do not even appreciate the smaller one? Do you understand? John Moses, especially you, because you're the picky one. Huh? You do not have any right to be picky. No. Even if you become rich, no. Nakaintindi. You do not have any right to be picky. There are kids dying in hunger. Be grateful that you have something to eat. Nakaintindi. You have projects pa. Payments pa in school. Not to mention requirements for us. For business and work. Mama's clients were stolen from me. I need to look for more clients now. US clients. Because when I try to focus with Filipino clients, they just waste my time. Most of them. So please, help me out here. I don't want to get up from my computer anymore. I don't want to pee even because I want to stay with my computer so that I can work. Okay? Be responsible, kids. How old are you na?
7.
Oh, you kuya, how old are you?
12.
Be responsible na ha. Do not kalat. Tito's been mopping, cleaning. You help. Nakaintindi. If you see there's hugasan, you wash it. If you see it's dirty, call Jan Moses. Look, your kalat, your paper. Naintindi? Let's help around this house, ha? You need to be responsible. Your wife is not responsible for you. You're responsible for yourself. Nakaintindi? You should know how to wash your clothes. So I will not have to think about having it washed on the laundry shop. Nakaintindi? I was grade 3. I was washing my own clothes. I had to look out for myself because I was just here with me and Lola and Lolo. What do you do with blessings again? You thankfully accept it. Thank you so much. You understand? Thank you. I have baon like this. This is for sale. I had to sell this. But I have to give it to you because we don't have food. I don't have savings anymore, Monasher, ha? Jan. I don't have savings anymore. We already spent it all in the rage room, unmute. That we got scammed. Kaintindi ka? I have no savings na. So please. Understand? I'm trying. Me and Tito, we're trying our best.
Baba.
What can you say?
I accept blessings.
What?
I think we accept blessings.
Yes, and your violin, Mon Asher. Again and again, I keep telling you all the time. I still have to pay up your coach. I still have 7,000. Balance. You know how much is 7,000? Can you pick 7,000 outside? No. My head hurts all the time. The back of my head hurts. The front of my forehead, it hurts. My eyes grow tired from being in the computer. My wrists, they become swollen. The reason why I enrolled you to music summer class, because you wanted to. All of my salary for the week, I bought a violin for you and a piano for Jan Moses.
I like the piano.
We had to sell the piano because we didn't have money back then.
But there's a piano in the class.
There's a piano in your class. It's nice. Mon Asher, the violin. Take advantage of it. While you still know. You can still learn. You already know the basics. Take advantage of the violin because if only I am the one who has that talent, that skill that you have, my God, I would have earned a lot. A lot. You already have a page, Mon. You already have a page, you already have an Instagram, you already have a TikTok account, a YouTube channel. What's missing?
Content.
Content mon. Day 1 of me trying to learn violin. How about that? Day 2 of me trying to learn this song. Every month until you grow older, you have a lot of contents uploaded, and you might be even have a YouTube button. By that time you reach 20 years old, you're YouTube rich. Mon, those games, they won't do you good. Do you want to help other kids? Do you want to make content that help other kids like you become addicted to games too? No, you want to empower them. Let them shine. Teach them how to edit videos. Teach them how to play violin. Nakaintindi? No more brain rot. Nakaintindi? Your life, your life is once in a lifetime. Everything that you do ripples into the future. Nakaintindi ka? Nakaintindi ka dyan? Hurry na. You're late.
What time is it?
I don't know. I think it's 7 something.
Yun nga.